Hey everyone, Joseph Cairns here from the DevNet team. Just wanted to take up a few minutes of your time to talk about a new lab we just released about a week or 10 days ago. It's called the Catalyst 8K 9K Single Instance Lab. And what this lab allows you to do is to reserve a private reservation 8K or 9K VM instance. You can select which one you want on launch. And it's complementary to the Always On labs. The Always On 8K and 9K, which we also host, are they're shared environments. So everyone uses the same sandbox and they have some limitations. But this sandbox allows you to spin up an 8K or a 9K that's private, that's just for you, and you could do anything with. You're not crossing over anyone's work or anything like that. So this idea would have came from, say, events, training courses, classrooms where organizers wanted each attendee to have their own instance. So we came up with this sandbox to cater for that. So let's just take a look at it. It's in the main catalog right now. If you click on it, you can see the instructions come up as usual, some access details, we'll come to that later, some other links. So let's just try launching an instance, see what we get. We'll just go for 2 days. The maximum is 3 days right now. I think there's a 1 day extension. 2 days is okay. Inputs are mandatory and you can have an 8K or a 9K VM. So let's just go for a 9K for this. Review summary, launch, and it's only going to take a few minutes. So we'll come back to it in 2 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we're back. We have an active sandbox. It takes about 8 minutes to fully boot the VM and apply the config, stuff like that. So we have the resource on the left-hand side here. Don't worry about the IP address, is not applicable. All the information you need over here is under IO. Okay, so we have VPN address, VPN username, password, your Catalyst IP address, Catalyst username, password, and the enabled password. So we're going to connect now with AnyConnect. The VPN username is in there already, so let's connect to that. I already have the username in there, so just copy out the password. Okay, so we're connected. Let's bring that over and bring in a terminal. So we're going to SSH here to the IP address, which is SJOE, and the IP address is 10.10.20.120. Okay, accept the fingerprint. And let's copy out the password. And that's it. We're connected to the 9K and the enabled password. There we go. So you have full privilege 15 access. Netconf, RESTconf, all that stuff is active. You can disable it, enable it if you want to. Add config, remove config. At the end of the reservation, this will be fully deleted. So you can take a look at what we have in there right now. It's pretty simple, basic, some basic trust point stuff, class maps, some just generic interfaces, just default config basically. And we also have netconf and restconf active. So this will be perfect. We can actually scale this up to well over 100, 150, maybe even 200 VMs. So it's perfect for a classroom or an event space. Okay, so thanks a lot for your time. Hope you enjoy using the lab. If you have any trouble, reach out to the community. We'd be happy to help. Thanks.